Okay, so this is a quick follow-up to the previous video. On the screen here is a spectrum from 10 Hertz to 1 megahertz, and you can see all the harmonics coming from the high-efficiency lights that Andy was holding the antenna up near the lights. But as it turns out, you don't really have to hold it that close, so he's going to get down now. And you can see that even without being up there, there's still a lot of harmonic content and pretty strong signals coming from these lights in a room. So that'll mess up any HF or whatnot radio receiver and cause some really nasty looking stuff on an oscilloscope. Perhaps we'll pull out a scope next and look at that.